Maybe there's a strong wind and the fuses keep getting blown out.
Potentially.
You gotta hate when that happens, eh?
You mean a stop sign?
Or maybe they set it off with a shotgun and they realized the
There.
Whoa! That was awesome. As if that bird stays standing up.
Now what?
Oh man,
Yeah!
those are the same guys that go to every Moose game.
Yeah.
Let's shoot for the
Apparently, they were at the Moose game when I was there.
Because Kyle made that joke when he was 7. So is that
That's all.
is there a round 2?
Better be.
No, they're saving the middle. That's covered parking.
It's like the wedding cake, they stay in the middle.
Yeah. They keep that part up for years.
So
My bike, maybe. I'd make Justin drop me off at the door.